not to feed, but to have their young. Patagonian sea lions. These are just a few months old. Sea lions can't give birth at sea. They must come to land to have their pups. Each summer, thousands cluster in colonies along Argentina's Valdez Peninsula. The mothers regularly return to sea to hunt. But their young must stay on the beach, for they've not yet learned to swim. Orca, killer whales. They come at exactly the same time each year to hunt the pups. It's a narrow window of opportunity, and the odds are stacked against the hunters. Just like the dolphins, orca take great risks in leaving their natural habitat. With every attack, there's a real danger of being stranded. Orca can only hunt for a few hours each day because at low tide, a rocky reef blocks their access to the beach. So, until the tide is high, the pups are safe. Early in the season, the orca have one big advantage. The pups are naive and don't yet recognize the whales as a threat. But the young sea lions will learn quickly. Silently, the killer whales move into position. Less than half the attacks are successful, and with each attempt, the pups grow wiser. The orca's advantage is slipping away. For the next few weeks, hunter and hunted are locked in a desperate race. The orca to seize pups, and the sea lions to learn how to evade their attacks. These young sea lions have triumphed. They've learnt to recognize the danger and evade the killers. For the orca, the window of opportunity has closed for another season. Newfoundland, Canada. A unique seasonal